Alrighty, folks, it is Festival Diaries, day 31.
31.
Day 31. This is David. David has this amazing candle shop workshop where he makes candles and he teaches other people how to make candles. He also does incredible sound journeys, and we have been carpooling together around the South Island. So, David, how many festivals have you done this season?
4, 5.
5.
Spring Festival.
Spring Festival. Spring Festival was the first one.
Yeah.
Why do you love the festival life? What does it mean to you to do all the festivals?
Because I become incredibly alive when I'm at festivals. There's so much space for me to be creative. I can play, I can dance, I can laugh, I can meet friends, I can travel with friends such as Kara-Leah, and there's a whole circus traveling the country during the festival season, and I get to see the same people over and over again in different spaces, and it seems so magical because we don't make a plan where we're going to go next, but you go to the next festival and there they are, friends everywhere.
It's so awesome. Okay, so then here's a question. When you're in between festivals, how do you kind of maintain that magic connection, openness when you're cruising between festivals?
I don't really have a routine for that, but what happened last time between NZ Spirit South and Evolve Festival now, we went up to Castle Hill and on Arthur's Pass, and there was a small crew of 6 people, and we all spent some time at NZ Spirit South. Not too much because we were busy co-facilitating and co-doing the festival as a collective. So we had kind of a decompression up on Castle Hill, and we had a beautiful just deep drop in with everyone. We camped for a couple nights at a campsite near there, and shared food and did so many beautiful things together. So that was just a real nice space for us to kind of relax afterwards, in between, and recharge, but also not miss out on any fun transitioning between festivals.
There was definitely no fun missed out on.
No, there was heaps of fun.
Yeah. So what has been your favourite moment in this festival season 2022-23 so far?
That's such a tough question.
I know, I asked the tough questions here.
There's so many beautiful moments.
Which moment is he going to choose, ladies and gentlemen? Which moment?
Well, on the Lost and Found table at NZ Spirit Fest, I found a very rare Pokemon card. I found a Charizard, and it's a fire Pokemon, and it fits so well into my journey at the moment, creating candles, and my fire is so alive in me. And last year on the same time, I found a Ninetales, which is also a fire Pokemon, and to find these cards, and they just come to me, and I loved Pokemon when I was a kid, and festivals definitely get my inner child rolling real hard. So just to have this experience and this sensation of alignment, and just get this message I'm in the right place right now, and this is where I want to be, and as long as these little gems show up in my life, I'm feeling great and content and happy in so many ways.
I love that. It's following the signs, right? Noticing what's arising and what feels aligned. I think for me, in terms of the festivals, it gives me such an opportunity to operate according to the current of life, to let life live me, and to feel what that's like, so that when I'm then not in a festival, I've got such a strong energetic imprint of living life in that way that I can keep coming back to and reminding myself that, there's a different way to be present with reality, where we're letting the current move us. Yeah.
Definitely.
Awesome. And Evolve Festival, so we're here at Evolve now. How are you feeling about Evolve? What are you looking forward to? Are you doing a sound journey here?
I'm doing a sound journey here, and I'm selling my candles here. I'm also doing candle making with kids tomorrow morning, time to be confirmed. And this is a very different festival because we are in a historic township. So there's it feels like 1850s vibes, early settlers coming to New Zealand, and there's so many buildings around us, and everything is kind of wedged in between, making it like a real tight space, but it's like a labyrinth of feels like a little bit like Alice in Wonderland, which is exciting.
I love that about the festivals too, is they all have such a different signature. And I love the fact there's a cafe in the middle of the festival site. I'm like, oh my god, I might just go hang in the cafe and do some written work during the festival. It's got that kind of vibe, right? Can do anything. Okay, any final words on the whole festival scene, why you love it, what you gain from it, or any words for someone who's never been to a festival?
Oh, if you've never been to a festival, you definitely got to go. Like, just pick one that, if you have some information to read through, or if someone tells you about it and something in you makes like just kind of and lights up and makes you feel excited or curious or whatever, just go hard and pack a tent, or if you have a camper van, just roll up in a camper. You don't even have to have friends to get there, because if you go to a festival, it's very, very easy to make friends, because the festivals I've been going to are open-hearted. There's a lot of love going around. There's a lot of sharing, whether that's food or resources, water,
we take
snuggle
care of
stuff.
each other.
We take care of each other.
We
take care of each other. We look after each other, and it creates a beautiful sensation of community. And if you keep rolling into festivals, then that's from temporary community to permanent community, which is fucking awesome.
Yeah, I love that. I definitely found my permanent community via festivals. You know.
Yeah.
So festivals this season, you might want to check out Shiva Shakti up at KP next weekend. Explore the last weekend in February up around Auckland. NZ Spirit North Island Festival, March 9th to 12th in the Kaipara Harbour. Earthbeat also up around the Kaipara Harbour on the equinox. I think that's March 21st or something. Do you know of any other festivals people could check out?
Not out of the top of my head. Yeah.
They're all on the top of my head.
Yeah.
All right, that was Festival Diaries Day 31. Woohoo! Thanks, David, for being on the show.
Thank you, Kara-Leah.